Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to easily backup all the photos on your Samsung Galaxy phone to the cloud. For that, first open the Samsung Gallery app. Now tap the menu icon at the bottom. Now select Settings. Now in here you will see this Sync with OneDrive option. Simply tap on it. Now enable this toggle here. Now if you're using this feature for the first time, you will need to link your Microsoft account. Once you have done that, you can use these settings to choose which albums to sync or whether your phone can use Wi-Fi only or both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now if you don't have a Microsoft account or if you want to backup all your photos to the Google account, simply download this Google Photos app from the Play Store. Now once you are here, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now select this turn on backup option. Now finally select turn on backup. This will backup all your photos and videos to the Google Photos app. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.